My name is Juanita. I'm back in the kitchen. I am going to be making egg muffins. The ingredients that I am going to use today is I do have peppers, onions, garlic, and spinach. You could put in cut up mushroom, broccoli in there. A whole lot of different veggies could go in as part of your egg omelet makings. First thing that you want to do, you're going to use your oil and you are going to grease your muffin pan. You're going to start by preheating your oven. The muffins puff up when they cook in the oven, so you only want to fill the opening to about 3/4 full. Let your muffins cool for about 10 minutes before you try to take them out. You can run a plastic knife or a spatula around the opening to help get them out if you need to. To store the egg muffins, you're going to want to put them in airtight containers. And so what is recommended is you're going to use plastic wrap to wrap your egg muffin entirely. And then you can take a ziplock bag and put those egg muffins that are wrapped in plastic wrap inside the plastic bag and seal the bag, put it in the freezer. You're going to want to let them cool completely before you wrap them. In the freezer, these egg muffins will last for 2 months. To reheat, you're going to unwrap the plastic wrap, fold them in a damp paper towel, and heat in the microwave for 20-second increments until the muffin is warmed up. Put a dash of salt in those, a little dash of black pepper. Have my onions. Bit of garlic in there, and I do have some spinach that I'm going to put in. And here's my egg muffin tin ready to go into the oven. Just wanted to show you my egg frittata out of the oven. Here I have my egg frittata muffins, and I've packaged them in plastic, and I've put them in a Ziploc bag that I have double sealed. This can keep in the freezer for 2 months. So you have a quick breakfast item that you can prep up in advance, take out of the plastic wrap, and usually about 1 to 2 minutes in the microwave, you have a hot egg frittata ready to eat for a meal.